Alright folks, today we are trying to solve a problem, which is this blower has been vibrating like crazy, and I think it's because this motor has flimsy spot welded straps on it. It's my best guess. So I spoke with tech support, and this is GMS S96080, and what we're gonna do is I'm getting ready to pull out that blower, and I'm gonna grind off those spot welded straps that are on that motor, and I'm gonna put this strap on it, and hopefully it'll give us a better results. It just the system works, but it just vibrates too much, way too much. So I'll let you know if this worked. Alright, step one completed. Blower is out. I'm looking in here. There's absolutely nothing wrong in here. I had already checked these to see if they were opened correctly and not too wide or anything, but they're not. They're, as you can see, they're at the exact, factory bent place. There's nothing over here either. No restrictions. So I'm gonna go ahead and grind those straps off and put the new one right there, and we'll see if we have the same result. Okay, just curious whether if it's moving too much. This is a new squirrel cage. I replaced the other one thinking that that's what it was. I don't know if this might be the reason that it's vibrating. Maybe a bad batch of squirrel cages. Trying to focus here. See how it moves a little bit. Can tell. I'm still gonna change the belly band and then see if it helps a little, but I don't know. Okay, so there's one. Sorry, my finger's in the way. There's one. Grind it off. Two more to go. Okay, so that's it. Now all three have been grinded off. Grind. So now I'm gonna put this one, and we'll see how this goes. Okay, so now we are tightening up the screws. Tighten up the nut that holds the blower wheel. Then we're going to slide this puppy back in there, and we're going to see what happens. Did it work? Not really. I don't know if you can tell by looking at this strap. Right here. It's hard because that anti-vibration thing keeps it from showing you, but I don't know if you can tell in this flex, it's still vibrating a little bit. It seems to have reduced it some, but it's not where I would have liked it to be. I don't know if you can see that. Still moving. Anyways, it looks like I think I'm gonna try one more blower wheel. I'm gonna ask them to order maybe 2 of them, and then I suspect they might have gotten a bad batch of blower wheels, because I don't see anything else wrong with it. The motor is fine, the shaft, the housing I have replaced it, so I'm gonna say that they just got a bad batch of blower wheels, and that's what I don't know what else to do. I'm done. It's either that or rip this out, and as you can see, I'm not too excited to have to rip this beautiful installation back out, and I don't have very much space. I don't know if you can tell, but I don't have very much space. It's gonna be real tight to get this out of here, but stay tuned. I'll let you know if we're gonna do anything more, or if this might be tolerable. I don't know, to my customer. It's not a whole lot. It's just enough to annoy me. And if it annoys my customer, then definitely I'm still gonna try one more blower wheel. And if that doesn't solve it, then I'll let them know, and they're gonna have to make the call. See you later.